This pelican has a giant beak. But why do pelicans have big beaks in the first place? To answer that question, let's take a look at their evolutionary history, their diet, and how they use their beaks to get food. The reason pelicans have such large beaks is because they're actually really good at catching fish, thanks to those big beaks of theirs. You see, pelicans are fishing birds. They eat almost exclusively fish, and they've evolved to be excellent at catching them. Their preferred method of fishing is called plunge diving, where they dive into the water feet first and use their beaks to scoop up fish. The shape of their beak is similar to a bucket, which allows them to scoop up a large amount of water and any fish that happen to be in it. When they scoop up water, they also scoop up air. And by quickly closing their throat, they can trap the fish inside their throat pouch and swallow it whole. This method of fishing is highly efficient and allows pelicans to catch a lot of fish with very little effort. Another reason for their large beaks is that they live in shallow waters. Most pelicans live in coastal areas where there is an abundance of fish. However, they usually feed in shallow waters where the fish are easy to reach. A pelican's beak is not only used for scooping up fish, but also for spearing them. Some species of pelicans will use their beaks to stab fish before taking off with it in their mouth. This method of fishing is more common in species of pelicans that live in deeper waters. When pelicans dive into the water to spear fish, their beaks help them conserve energy. The shape of their beak reduces the amount of drag they feel when diving, allowing them to conserve energy for catching and eating their prey. A third reason is related to the second, and it's that they can only eat small fish. Most species of pelicans can only eat small fish that are found in shallow waters. This is because their beaks are too small to eat larger fish. If a pelican tried to eat a large fish, it would probably choke. This limits the amount of protein they can get from their food, which in turn limits how much they can grow. The size of a pelican's beak is also related to its size. The larger the pelican, the larger its beak. This is because larger pelicans need larger beaks to catch the larger fish they eat. For example, the American white pelican has a larger beak than the brown pelican. This is because the American white pelican eats larger fish than the brown pelican. Finally, the fourth reason pelicans have such big beaks is because they have to be lightweight. Since pelicans spend so much time in the water, it's important that they be lightweight in order to be good swimmers. If they were too heavy, they wouldn't be able to dive and swim as easily. This is why pelicans have hollow bones and a beak that is reinforced with keratin. Keratin is the same substance that makes our nails and hair, and it makes the pelican's beak both strong and lightweight. In conclusion, pelicans have big beaks for several reasons. They need big beaks to catch the small fish they eat, to help them spear fish when necessary, and to reduce drag when diving for fish. Finally, pelicans need lightweight beaks in order to be good swimmers. All of these factors combine to give pelicans their iconic and highly specialized beak. Now that you know why pelicans have big beaks, be sure to like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more fun nature videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time!